Move out the way!
Uh-oh.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost, GT500, man, coming in with you with another video. As you can see, got a box in front of me, man. It's been a while since I did an unboxing. As you can see, with the package says some Go Fast goodies inside, sent to us from my good friends over at Lethal Performance. Yes, it's a part for the GT500. And let's jump into this video, man. What we got inside of this bad boy that I ordered from, again, Lethal Performance. See what we got. Don't we love goodies when it comes with a car? Get this out of here. Put this to the side. Ooh. Okay. Go fast, break shit, drink beer. I like that from Lethal Performance. They always give you little gifts when you order stuff through them. Got some candies. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. But let's get into it and see what I ordered, guys. We're waiting on this. Okay. Drop this right down here. Let's get this plastic out of the way. Okay. And they really wrapped this up good. Nice. Look how pretty this is. Get this out the way. So you already know what this is. It is an alternator for the GT500 from, as you can see, J2Fabrication. It is their new Extreme Denso 300 amp with air hairpin. You know, big boy, baby, big boy. Not sure what size pulley this is, but it should work. But yes, it is a 300 amp. I thought I saw it written right here. Not sure if you can see, but they wrote it. It is a 300 amp alternator. I am running a J2Fabrication alternator on the car right now. That's around a 200 amp. And I started to notice some voltage issues I was having, and sometimes I idle. And I was like, all right, that's not good. So let's get this alternator upgraded. I reached out to Justin Wheeler over there at J2Fabrications. And being that my alternator I had from him was one of his first designs back in 3 to 4 years ago, I ordered that. And I decided, and then he decided as well, for me to upgrade to his new Extreme 300 amp. And it should fix my little issue I have going on. But yeah, this is beautiful. As you can see, I got it powder coated in black. You can also get it, you know, your regular non-powder coated alternator look, but I want to go with a little fancy look. So you can get this option. We'll put all the information for this in the description below. So, man, it's not too much about it, man, but it's a big boy. You know, when you have a lot of pumps and if you got an ice tank, a whole bunch of stuff running, man, it's always good to have a nice big boy alternator going on because the factory ain't gonna cut it. So that's why I was rocking out with the, you know, with the J2Fabrication 200 amp. Now I am upgraded to the 300 amp Extreme. I also ordered the GT500, as you can see, 300 amp Big 3 cable. I have the Big 3 cable on the car as well right now, but that cable isn't compatible with this alternator. Obviously the cable is a lot thicker than what I have right now in the car. Let's get this out of plastic. You see, the cable looks a little thicker. Actually, no. I think the cable is about the same size. I think the difference is the connections is different to the alternator than what I have right now, and the fuse is bigger. Obviously, you run a bigger alternator, you need a bigger fuse. So I think that's the only big changes in this Big 3 kit. So yeah, you can order all of this stuff on Lethal Performance website. I think this whole setup will cost around like $620 $35 or $700, somewhere around that, because I know it was like an extra $50 to powder coat the alternator in black option, and then this big 3 cable was like another $100, something like that. So here we have it, man. Nothing else to say. J2Fabrication 300 amp alternator. Can't wait to get this on. You already know my man Chuck at C&D Autotech will be installing this very soon, and hopefully I can get some more videos going on with this car on the street. But you already know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel as always. It's been a process with this thing, man, and all the support, all the comments help, and I see everyone that's comments. I try to reach everyone. I try to reach out to everyone back in the comments, man. I'm appreciative. But you already know, from the new viewers, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, man. Support your boy. I hope you got more videos coming soon. It's been a while since I did an unboxing in the office, you know. But yeah, J2Fabrication alternator. I'm going to check you guys out in the next one. Peace.